Absolutely loads and loads of Arabic food here. Shawarma, chips, salad, not so much about the salad, billions of onion rings, about a kilo of hummus, loads of bread, iced tea. I've been eating loads of this and look how much is left. This is going in my hotel fridge. And what's just started is the Phantom Menace. So I reckon this is a pretty decent Friday night. This is turning out to be a rocking Friday night in my hotel room of sadness. Work tomorrow though. Have a good evening. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.